Morning, guys. Hope you're well. We're going to Ask Scruff. Well, we nearly missed it because it's in the coffee lounge. And I just happened to see it as I was dropping in some classic music. And the music that is today, Lord of Bollocks by the Wurzels. Fantastic song. Common people. Anyway, this is for Dusty. Little salute to you, kid. I know the first answer you'll give, trade another asset. Probably right. But my question is, if you can only open up 2 positions in a trade due to margin, what order would you place the madness in? As I find myself opting for position 1 and position 5. Okay, kid. There's nothing wrong with 1 and 5, and I understand the theory behind that. You're looking for your normal entry, and you desperately want to be in the market. And then if it goes wrong, stage it right back to the cheapest point, so it doesn't cost you a great deal if you're wrong, but gives you an opportunity to get out. Herein lies the issue, because unless you're nailing the trade more times off the belt than not, you're kind of going to put yourself into a world of pain to start with. So if I've only got 2 positions, I prefer the price to come to me. So the first thing I'd be looking at is I'd be certainly doing pending orders above a trigger candle on a 15 and then trailing down if that's what you're doing. But if I'm using a smaller, faster time frame, what I'd be doing is I would mark an area on the chart where I would normally enter, right? And then measure out what a madness would be. Down to, in this case, 5 positions as you were after. And I would look at 2 and 4. Now, the reason I would look at 2 and 4 in this scenario is the chances are 2 is going to get hit. But I also don't want the last one to be so far away that I can't make any money from it. So number 4, if I'm following the rule structure, 1, 2, 3 is trade. So the second one's in the middle. Devil's advocate between the 2 and the 3, and then 4 I get out where I got in. 4 would give me an opportunity to make money as well. And the difference, what I would do there is I would actually be sizing down slightly. So I might be able to go in at £1 a point. I would go in at maybe 60-70p a point. Just drop it down slightly, and then that way it smooths out if you're wrong as well. That's kind of the way I would approach this. And the other side of it is when you're building up small accounts because you've got low margin, you don't want to be holding on trades too long. You want to be in and out relatively quick, because you don't want to get into a position where you give the profit back. Hope that helps. There you go, kid. Catch you soon.